take me away, but I'll always come back to you. Don't know why, something's pulling me from deep inside, but when I see your memories, the air, the smell, the taste, the sounds. This is my home, the land, the sea, the sky, the breeze. And no matter where I go, one thing that I know, Aotearoa will always be my home. Aotearoa. I hear the rivers flowing from the hills. I hear the birds in the trees. I see the faces of all the people I love. They're calling